OpenAI launched the latest version of their AI model, which is chatgpt-5. The company has claimed that this is the most advanced version. Then what's made its users so angry? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Earlier this week, chatgpt-5, the latest version of OpenAI, was made available to the users. The company had made GPT-5 as the default version and not giving the users the choice to select between the versions. But shortly after its release, angry fans headed to Reddit and flooded the app with criticism. The users claimed that GPT-5 lacked conversational style. Many said the responses of the new version were sterile, brief, and lacked personality. Now, when people treat AI in their phones as their friends, and some even share their personal life problems, ask GPT what they should do. So these days, personalities must have, even if you're not a person. After receiving tons and tons of complaints regarding GPT-5's writing and conversational skills, the CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, has called to revive the access to its GPT-4 model for ChatGPT Plus subscribers. Although he claimed that GPT-5 has tremendous benchmarks, but they shouldn't have underestimated how much some features of GPT-4 matter to users. For instance, a friendly conversation, which people really missed in the new version. Now Plus subscribers can switch between the two, which is cool. But the good thing about the new version was it had a real-time router. What's that? Well, it switches tasks between a more efficient model for straightforward requests and a reasoning version, which is particularly capable of handling complex tasks. After so much criticism, Sam Altman said that they'll work on GPT-5 to make it more conversational for all of its users. So this was all that was new about ChatGPT and its versions. What do you think about it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.